Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix Gmail is full on Android or iPhone. So if you have Gmail is full and you want to learn how to fix it, then here's a workaround. So recently I got my Gmail is full message and I was prompted to manage my storage to either upgrade my storage capacity or delete some items. As you can see, I have 96% of storage used, so that shows I have about 600 MB left. Now, for me to be able to continue receiving email, I'll have to delete my emails or subscribe to a paid plan to have more additional storage. But here, I'll show you what I did to fix this in one of my other Gmails. Now, to fix Gmail is full, either on Android or iPhone, all you need to do is first, go ahead and open the Gmail application on your device. So, click on your profile name at the top right, then click on Manage Storage. Now, I want to check what's actually occupying your Gmail and why your Gmail is full. Then when you see manage your storage with Google One, just scroll down. Click on more detail. Now here, under storage used, then you should see that most of my storage is being used by Google Photos. You see that? Google Photos occupied about 13.07 gigabytes, while Gmail itself has only used about 1.25. Google Drive about 70.44 MB. Now, for me to be able to fix the Gmail is full message or problem, I need to go ahead and checkmate my Google Photos. So if you have Google Photos installed on your phone, then that's where the problem is coming from. Now go ahead, open Google Photos. So let's open Google Photos. Now once you open Google Photos, you see the same message as well, only 3% of storage left. Now, if you click on take action, then you'll be prompted to get more storage for peace of mind by subscribing to additional storage where you pay a fee. Now, this is what we're going to do. Let's delete this and then come back to the Google Photo. On the Google Photos, what you want to do here is first click on your profile icon at the top right, locate backup and click on that, turn off backup. That's the first thing. Once you turn off backup, this will stop your Google Photos from backing up all photos you have on your phone to the cloud. Hit the back button. Now, on the Google Photos, you want to review all the photos you have here and delete all your unwanted photos. So, check through and make sure all unwanted photos are deleted, and that is what I want to do right now. So just make sure you clean the photos you have in your Google Photos. So that is where the problem is coming from. Now, what you want to do here is, once you delete all these photos from your Google Photos, they will not be deleted from your Android phone or your iPhone photo storage. So, delete. So just to make sure you check all the photos you want to delete to create more space on your Google Photos. And if these photos are important to you, what you want to do is you want to get an external storage. In the external storage, move all the photos to your external storage. Now keep selecting all of these photos that you do not want to save or back up to the Google Photos. Now once you've selected as many as possible unwanted photos like I just did, now the next thing you want to do is you just need to go ahead and click on the trash button. Here you can see I've selected about 112 photos. Select trash. Now this is about 102 megabytes of storage. Click on delete. Click on delete again. Now scroll down and then locate all other photos as well that you don't want to keep on your device storage. So just go ahead, locate the unwanted photos and then delete all of them. So once you delete photos from your Google Photos, then this is going to create more space on your Gmail, and of course, once created on your Gmail, the message Gmail is full is going to be deleted. But you need to do this for all unwanted photos or photos you can afford to lose. And at the same time, check through for videos. If you have videos, go ahead, remove the videos from the backup. And now, to avoid future occurrence, you need to make sure you delete some of these photos from your phone. Otherwise, they will still going to be back up to the Google Drive. And this will also take up the storage as well. Click on trash, delete, and then delete again. Now, if you are using the latest Google Photos, all you need to do again here is click on this profile at the top right. Review out of sync changes. Click on that. Then if you see you change this photo on another device, Google Photos need a permission too. So go ahead and click on delete to delete all of this. So if you have this on multiple devices, maybe on your Android or on other Android device, click on this to delete them. Then come back. Now, you want to check through your old photos and then delete them as well. So if you have old photos, maybe photos you've taken long ago that you backed up to Google Photos, so search through and then make sure you delete all the photos, because without deleting all of these photos from your Google Drive, you will not be able to clear more storage or fix your Google Drive is full. And mark you, if you have some important photos you cannot afford to lose, do not go ahead and delete all of these photos. But I still believe that it is not all the photos you have on your phone that take up the storage that is all important. So the main problem you face why your Google photo is full is because of all the photos you took that you failed to delete, like all of this. So just go ahead, open it, click on three dots. Then here you can just remove memory. So just delete all the memories. And again, we are still cleaning the Google Photos. So just keep scrolling and then check unwanted photos, delete, and then delete them again. Unwanted photos, delete them again. So I'm doing this to show you practically that you can actually fix Google Photo is full. So this is memory. Click on the memory to view the memory. So just go ahead and click on the memory, click on the three dots, select remove memory. So you don't need memory here. Then scroll down again. All of these photos are wanted, so they have no benefit and they are taking up a lot of spaces. Delete them. So trash, delete again, and again this trash, delete again. Then the memory, click on it, click on three dots. So you may go ahead, edit faces, and then delete them. So just keep going. All of this, check all of them, delete. Now the reason why you have to delete all of this is because the photo itself are aged, and of course you may have forgotten about these photos because these photos may have been backed up from your previous device to the new device you are using. That is why you say your Google photo is full. So delete them if there is no need to keep them. Now just keep scrolling again, delete them, delete trash, then trash again, delete, then trash again, trash. So I'll just keep trashing this until we have enough space. Trash them, trash, so now why I'm showing you this is because you may want to say I only deleted a few photos. No, I deleted a lot of photos that are taking up spaces on my Gmail, and all these photos are memorable. Can you see? I have a photo from 2011 and this is 2025. So if you have a photo from 2011, then I see no reason why you're keeping the photo. Delete. Then once you've deleted the photo, the next thing you want to do is go back, close the photo app, then go ahead and open it again. Open the Photos app again. Now you see we have 12% storage left instead of having 4% storage left. And the previous, when we started, it was 4% storage and now it is 12% storage. Now another thing you want to do again is click on the profile icon at the top right. scroll up, select Google Photo settings, then click on apps and devices, click on clear cache. You can see my current cache is about 684 megabytes. So optimizing background. A smaller cache means via thumbnail are stored on your device. So browsing photos will be limited to low or no connectivity status. So you want to make sure you clear cache. You see, my cache is reducing. So once you turn this on, you should see the cache reducing from 600 to about this. Then hit the back button again. Then click on free up space. Now you should see the number of items you can delete on your Google Photos app to free up space on your Gmail. Then go ahead and click on delete this X number of items. Instead of them, go ahead and delete. Then you can see. Now another thing you want to do is go ahead, open the Photos app. You need to empty the trash on the photos you've deleted from the Google Photos. Click on collections, locate trash. Then you should see all the photos here. Click on select at the top right, then click on delete all. Click on delete permanently. Hit the back button again. Select screenshots. You should see all unwanted screenshots here. Click on the three dots at top right. Select all the screenshots you have. So if you have multiple screenshots or X number of screenshots, just go ahead and then select all of them. So, and then once you selected all of them like this, trash all the screenshots. Trash all the screenshots to create more space on your Gmail account. So select the three dots at top right, click on select the unwanted screenshots you have here. So just keep selecting the screenshots since you cannot select all the screenshots once. So you need to manually select all the screenshots. You see that? So I have about 67, 70 screenshots selected already. So this all took up my space and they are affecting my Gmail. So just go ahead, check all the screenshots like this. And once checked, click on the trash icon at the top right, just beside the three dots. Then delete. Now go back, click on trash. If you're in trash, select all, delete all, and then you're good. Now, one more last thing. Now go ahead and open the Photos app on your device. This could be Android and could be iPhone. So just scroll through the Photos app, open it, scroll down, locate your recently deleted, view it, confirm your face ID and password, all of this. So you may want to empty all of these from your recently deleted. So delete all of these, otherwise these photos will be kept on your device. You can see I have about 1,123 photos. Now let's go back to the Google Photo, hit the back button, then refresh or close the Google Photo still. Go ahead and open the Google Photo again. You see the message is gone, right? Then if you click on here, then you should see we now have about 87% of storage used. So we have about 13% left instead of 4%. So you repeat this on all your unwanted photos and unwanted videos like this. Trash them. Like this, trash them. So select all, trash all of them. And last but not the least, what you want to do to fix Gmail is full is go ahead and open the Gmail application. Once opened, click on the three lines at the top left, scroll down, locate spam, then click on empty spam like this, and then you're good. So this is basically how to fix Gmail is full either on Android or on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.